Master your destiny on 99 FM.
Welcome to the MYD studios. Sam Shabute, what a pleasure it is to have you with us. You're such a breath of fresh air, Sam, because it doesn't matter what's going on. You at the moment have got so much that you're juggling, so much on your plate, but you're still always in good spirits, in a good mood, positive, and you just keep on going. How do you do it?
It's a choice. It's a choice that I make. I always tell people that in life is all about choices. So I've chosen to be positive, I've chosen to be happy, I've chosen to be focusing on nothing but solution, and that's why I'm always inspired and always energized.
Even in this year? Because 2016 was a really difficult year.
It depends how you look at life. In my vocabulary, for example, when people talk about problem, I see opportunity. So again, even in 2016, I just looked at the positive because I know that whatever challenges that we are engaged or are facing with, we just have to focus on the solutions. And it is during these times as well that the characters are being built. And that's why I don't like easy things. I like tough assignments because it's through tough assignments that one can become better.
Absolutely. It's difficult to think about that when we're now at the end of the year, to remember what we've learned. Very often we're just focusing on the negative and we're not seeing where our growth has been. Let's talk a little bit about your personal growth this year, because I know that you've been selected to you're doing a training program in the UK. Tell us about that.
Many people do not really understand the difference between coaching and mentoring. And with this program, one really understands the difference, the distinction between coaching and mentoring. In coaching, we do not offer solution. It's not about me giving you advice. In actual fact, it's more about, you learn more about active listening, where the clients speak for about 70%. But apart from that, they then give you framework and concept that can allow you to be in a position to ask very relevant questions that will allow the client not only to be very specific about their goal, but also how really to ensure that you ask this question in such a way that the client's issue or challenges or goal is measurable, is achievable, it's realistic, it's time bound, it's exciting and relevant, and just to frame it in that way. So I have always thought that I knew this, I have read up and so on, but the transformational coaching is different from your other typical life coaching or executive coaching, and that's one of the best.
Talking about mentorship, that's something that you're also very passionate about. How important is it to find mentors and also to encourage mentors to find mentees that they can help mold?
People are always willing to assist. In my life, I have many mentors, and what I have learned with people is that in most cases, you will not approach a person and say, I would want you to mentor me on this aspect, and the person will say, no, I don't have time. People are willing to help. For those people who have already traveled the road and they have achieved some level of success, my call to them is that it's always very pleasing and fulfilling to share your knowledge with those who are prepared to learn from you. And those who are starting, especially the youth, who are the leaders of tomorrow, seek out people that you think you can really be in a position to connect with. Seek about people that you think, the area in which they operate, be it in a professional business or whatever, this is something I'm interested in, and commit to be a good student of those people. And that can really, if you try to be a good student, discipline and learn and take note and have a journal, nothing can stop you to be the best leader that you can be, because I'm encouraging young people to say that this is your time to equip yourself, because if you do not equip yourself now, 15 to 20 years time, you will be in charge of this country, you will be in charge of this industry, and the worst thing that you would wish is for you to be given an opportunity and you are not prepared for that opportunity.
Absolutely, that's some really, really good advice. And it's all up to us. It's something that we can do today. Start equipping yourself today, and who knows what opportunities you'll be able to grab when they arise, because you're ready.
I want people to understand that success, or those who have made it in life, it doesn't happen by chance. It doesn't happen by accident. It should be your deliberate effort. And like at the beginning, we spoke about choices. It's a choice that you make. To say, what can I do now for me to be who I want to become in 10, 15, 20 years' time?
Absolutely. It's a choice that we make. And what do you see for 2017? Do you think it's going to be a great year for
Oh
Namibia?
yeah, 2017 is gonna be a great year. It's gonna be exciting. From my own perspective, in the past I used to have only one night of inspiration. 2017 I will be having three shows of night of inspiration. In as much as we are working on our personal and professional goals and that of our national goals for 2017, we must also work on our health to make sure that we live and lead a healthy life.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for coming to inspire us yet again, Sam.
Thank
It's
you
been
very-
an honor and a privilege to have you in
Thank you,
studio.
Kirsty. Always humbled to be in your show. Thank you very much for having me.
It's been wonderful.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Master your destiny on 99 FM.